friends and families, how are you guys doing? This is Ogonwadi. Welcome to my channel. Okay, we are still in the cake series. Remember I said starting October 7th, I'm gonna be baking healthy cakes until October 12th, which is my birthday. Okay, that's my birthday gift to you guys. So we made the first one yesterday. Today is October 8th. We're gonna go ahead and make this other cake. This is keto blueberry tea cake. This will go down well with your tea, believe me, or your green tea, or just juice or water. I mean, it's healthy and it's very easy to make. Believe me, you would really enjoy it. Let me introduce you to the ingredients. Over here, I've got 2 cups of almond flour. You can also use coconut flour. Either of them goes. And for the sweetener, I'm going to be using the Lancanto monk fruit sweetener. This is keto approved, vegan approved, paleo approved. I'm going to be using pure vanilla. Make sure it's pure vanilla. I'm going to be using baking powder, some salt, some lemon extract for that lemony taste, blueberry of course, yogurt, 3 eggs, melted butter, and of course my baking pan, which I have already greased and put the parchment paper, your bowl, a mixer, and the spatula. Over here I already measured out everything that I needed. My vanilla is kind of spilling over. Anyway, so let's go into making this. But before then, go and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Okay, you need it preheated. All right. And also, if you're tuning into my channel for the first time, I really appreciate you. Please consider subscribing. And to you, my all-time subscribers, I love you all. Thank you so much. God bless you. All right, let's go into making this beautiful keto blueberry tea cake. The first thing, we're going to whisk our eggs. Make sure the eggs, make sure you bring them out so that they could be in room temperature. Also, your butter needs to be in room temperature, okay? All right, to that, we pour our butter. We put in all our liquids. That's what we're doing here. And the vanilla. Also, the lemon. And the yogurt. So these are all our liquids. We're going to be mixing them or whisking them together. You don't really need a hand mixer for this. This is just a simple recipe. Alright, if you see that it's already incorporated, the next step will be, let me put this over here, to transfer the almond flour into the mixture, the wet mixture. At the same time, I'm going to go ahead and throw in the mixer. All the dry ingredient comes in now. Baking powder and salt. This time around, we're going to use the spatula and combine them together gently. Okay, so now the last ingredient is the main ingredient of the day, which is the blueberry. Here I have 1 cup of blueberry. Just go ahead and mix it in gently. Alright, this is good. Now we're going to go ahead and transfer into our greased pan. I'm using a small pan here. You know, almond doesn't really rise, so this is perfect for it. So what you want to do now is level it up by giving it a little shake. Alright, so now it's gonna go in the oven for like 30 minutes or 35, depending on your oven, okay? But for my oven, it has to be 30 or 35 minutes. So see you in 35 minutes. Okay guys, I just brought it out of the oven. It's super hot. I'm gonna let it cool for like 20 minutes. Because if it doesn't cool down, it might scatter, and I don't want it to scatter. So look at how beautiful that is. So in 20 minutes, when it's cool enough, I'm just gonna slice it and show you guys how it looks inside, okay? See you soon. Alright guys, it's cool enough for me to take off the parchment paper. So when you're taking off the parchment paper, you have to be very gentle, except it's 100% cold, then that's different. But when it's like halfway, be very gentle, okay, so you don't rip it apart. But anyways, this is the strawberry tea cake. So let me just slice and show you how the inside looks like. So this will be very good for your cup of tea in the morning. The next one we're gonna be making might be coffee cake. I'm not so sure yet, but for now. Ooh, look at that, guys. Do you see that? Yummy strawberry tea cake. It looks so nice. Wow. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. You see that? Go ahead and make yours. It's well done. Make yours. Tag me on Instagram at Ogonwadi or Facebook page at Ogonwadi. Alright guys, my friends on keto diet, you don't miss nothing. All you have to do is substitute one thing for the other. Thank you. Have a blessed and a pleasant day. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, okay? Subscribe, very important, okay? Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish you